Hi, I'm Antoniu, a compiler fellow at Zama, and I'm working on Concrete. Concrete is an open source framework that simplifies the use of fully homomorphic encryption. Last week, we released version 2.7 of Concrete, which introduced a lot of new features. A very exciting new feature is the GPU backend. So let's see how we can make use of GPU acceleration on an example. To take advantage of GPU acceleration, you must first install a GPU-capable wheel. This can be found in the Zama public PyPy. Once the GPU wheel is installed, we need to tell the Concrete compiler to generate code targeting the GPU backend. This is done by adding a configuration flag. As an example, we're going to look at the Cypher 10 benchmark. And here in the code, we're going to look for the configuration of the compiler. And once we've found it, we can add the use GPU flag. Now that this is done, the compiler will automatically take advantage of all the GPUs available on the system during execution. So we can execute this example. And we're going to also show what the current GPU activity is on the system. And what we should see is that all of the four H100 GPUs are going to be used. There are also options that are available to restrict the number of GPUs used, and all of this can be found in our documentation. So as we can see, all of the GPUs are currently in use. So this is it for this video. If you would like to know more about this feature or all other features within the release, you can find this in our blog. Thank you.